Hello and welcome back viewers. Now we are going to learn what is Market Manager, one of the most important tools in our this course, how it is going to help us in our better trading, for managing the trades, for pending orders, for quick entries. In this lesson we will learn everything about Market Manager. This is very important tool. Okay, so let's start. Market Manager has representation like this. Okay, like the market watch of the our normal MT4. Okay, and some other specialties. It has a lot of functions. We are going to discuss everything about Market Manager with full details step by step in this lesson. Okay, basically Market Manager is an account management tool which can be used while using other apps. Like for example, you are browsing, you are using Facebook, Twitter, or you are studying any other thing. Okay, then you can still trade with the help of Market Manager. And all of the apps which we have studied in my this course, they have advantage of this. We can use them while using other applications also. Okay, so this is the great advantage of Market Manager. It is showing us symbol prices, all the symbol prices, bid price, ask, lots, profit, everything. Okay. Then we can monitor our current open position and its plotting profit or loss. Like here in this tab, lot size also. For every symbol we can monitor it also. Another advantage of this Market Manager is that it allows for specific pairs. Like here we will see if we want all USD pair, then we can get all USD pair. If we want all Australian dollar pair, then we can get here all Australian dollar. Okay. And similarly, if we want all GBP pairs, then we will get GBP pairs. So this is the great advantage of Market Watch. We are going to see it later on this lesson. Another advantage of it is that we can place new market and pending orders. Okay, this is special for using pending orders for managing our stop loss, take profit, trailing stop. It has list of open tickets. It will show us list of open tickets, and it has the ability to modify our existing trades like running trades, current trades. We can modify them, we can adjust their stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, etc. All of these things. Okay, and it is also giving us the opportunity to get account metrics which is showing such as equity, free margin, which causes showing profit and margin usage in graphical terms also. Okay, so Market Manager is a great personal assistant tool for betterment of our trading, and now we will see all of its advantages. In the other advantage of Market Manager, we can get overview of recent price movement on a symbol over multiple time frame, and similarly we can make a template by holding down the control key while clicking on the ask and bid price. Okay, now we are going to discuss all of these terms of Market Manager with full detail on the chart. First of all, we will see how we can set up Market Manager on our MT4. For that, simply first of all make sure that your auto trading is enabled. Just if it is not enabled, it is showing red sign, then just click here. Okay, it must be green, and after that just go to tools, option, and in the expert advisors tab just click here on the allow automated trading and allow DLL imports. Okay, so now just drag and drop Market Manager here and make sure that allow live trading and allow DLL imports are also clicked. So here we got our Market Manager. This is the first outlook of Market Manager. Now you can place your Market Manager anywhere on your chart. Okay, you can make it smaller or bigger just by dragging the corners of the app. Okay, from here you can modify it. Another thing is that you can also pin it or unpin it whenever you want. Just click here. Market Manager is always giving us default language of MT4. If we want to change the language of Market Manager, for that simply just go to view languages, and here you can select the language which you want. but right now it is supporting some specific languages, not all. Now we will see all the important functions of the market manager. Now basically market manager is designed for quick overview of market symbols and pending order, etc. Now we will go through all the major functions of market manager. And first of all, here is the market watch. Okay, in market watch, here we have symbol, bid price, ask price, lots and profits. If we have any open trade, then here we can see our lot size also and profit also. Market watch is always synchronized with default market watch of our MT4. All the symbols which will be present here, those will be shown here also. So here if I will click on Euro USD, then a pop-up window will open which is showing high and low prices of Euro USD for 60 minutes, 24 hours and 5 days. Okay, this pop-up window is showing low and high prices of Euro for 60 minutes, for 24 hours and 5 days. Similarly, it is showing H1, M15 and M5 charts also. If we have any open trades, then we can see our lot size here, and our floating profit or loss is shown here also. Here we can see candlesticks charts, okay, and tick lines. Basically this is not a tick chart, this is a 500 millisecond chart. Okay, tick line is always updating if there is no market activity. Okay, and here we have buy and sell lines. Okay, if I will click anyone here, then I will get a new pop-up window. Here I can choose any of my own desired order, buy or sell, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop or sell stop. Okay, then I can choose my lot size, okay, stop loss in pips or whatever I want, and similarly take profits in pips. Okay, and then we can make a template or we can place our order. For example, I have placed my order. Okay, or I can also save my template here with the name. Where the okay, now my template has been saved. So here I can see my lot size and my